Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a Chanterelle and Gruyere Pizza on the Karma 25 Big Swede Barbecue Edition from WPPO. The first thing that we need to do is to get a good fire going in the pizza oven, so that's what we're going to start with. Add a couple of chunks of pecan wood and then add a fire starter. Light the fire starter, and when you have a good fire going, you can add more wood. Now you want the oven and the pizza stone to heat up for about 45 minutes until it's ready to bake some pizza. So while we're waiting for the pizza oven to get up to temperature, we can start preparing the chanterelles, and this is what we're going to do. Start by melting a couple of tablespoons of butter in a hot saute pan. Then you want to start sauteing the chanterelles that we have parboiled. And when they have a good color, you want to add a couple of tablespoons of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. So the pizza stone now has a temperature of about 750 to 800 degrees. The chanterelles are ready, so it's time to start shaping the pizza. And we use the Urban Slicer Neapolitan pizza dough for these pizzas. Start by adding some semolina flour to the pizza peel. Then you want to flour the pizza dough balls and shape them into nice round pizzas. Move the pizzas onto the pizza peel. Then start by oiling the pizzas with a garlic oil mix. Next, you want to smear some creme fraiche on the pizza. After that, add some thinly sliced red onion and a ton of chanterelle. Then last but not least, sprinkle the pizza with plenty of grated Gruyere cheese. So when the pizza is in the oven, you want to bake it for about 90 seconds. Then you want to rotate it, and then you want to bake it for another 2 minutes or until it's cooked through and the cheese is starting to get a good, nice golden color. We have now removed the pizza from the pizza oven, so we have 2 more things to do and then it's ready to serve. 1, you want to top it with some fresh dill sprigs, and 2, you want to grate some fresh lemon zest over the pizza as well. And that is how you make a delicious Chanterelle and Gruyere Pizza on the Karma 25 Big Swede Barbecue Edition from WPPO. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try the pizza and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Oh my God. That is such great flavor. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.